DIY affordable kitchen decor ideas. Is your kitchen looking a bit dull and unexciting? Tired of the same old cabinets year after year? Well, get your paintbrush and ready for some do-it-yourself excitement, as it's time to turn that plain kitchen into something amazing. Let's get started. Add a backsplash. Our first stop is the backsplash. Adding a backsplash to your kitchen is a simple yet effective change that can make a big impact. It's not only protects your walls from spills and splatters, but also adds a visual interest to your kitchen. Paint kitchen cabinets. Moving on, let's talk about kitchen cabinets. A fresh coat of paint can breathe new life into your kitchen cabinets. It's an affordable way to update your kitchen without the need for a full remodel. DIY kitchen cupboards with curtains. Next up, why not replace your cupboard doors with curtains? It's a unique idea that adds a touch of charm to your kitchen. Plus, it's an affordable alternative to traditional cupboard ideas of doors. Cutting board collection. Now let's talk about cutting boards. Displaying a collection of cutting boards can add a rustic charm to your kitchen. It's a great way to showcase your personality and style. Display all kitchen advertising signs. If you are a fan of vintage decor, consider displaying old kitchen advertising signs. These signs can add a nostalgic touch to your kitchen and create a unique focal point. DIY copper wire egg basket. Copper wire egg baskets are another great decor idea. They are not just practical for storing eggs, but they are also stylish and can add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. DIY floating shelves. A floating shelf is a versatile addition to any kitchen. It provides extra storage and display space, and it's easy to install. Plus, it adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Replace countertops. Last but not least, consider replacing your countertops. New countertops can give your kitchen a fresh new look. And the best part, there are plenty of affordable options available. And there you have it. With these affordable DIY ideas, you can give your kitchen a complete makeover without breaking the bank. Remember, a beautiful kitchen doesn't have to be expensive. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to visit our website, drillingnerd.com.